Mr. Atib Khan, let's get the snowball rolling here and understand, as a Jamia alumnus yourself, how do you see this? What exactly played out in the national capital today? Was that protection of campus identity or restriction of diverse ideas? Why does the ISA say that Jamia Millia Islamia, RSS, has no place in this particular university? What's your viewpoint and assessment?
First of all, you mentioned ISA name so many times. This is not about ISA, or this is not about any political organization. The matter is that Jamia Millia Islamia is come from the movement started by Maulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar and Mahatma Gandhi. And this university was a place of communal harmony from the century. And from not now, I think in 2017, Indresh Kumar is the president of MRM, Muslim Rashtriya Manch. He came for a program in Jamia Millia Islamia. From that time, these activities were started. And the main thing is that if any political organization or any organization who was promoting heart rate in the community and they want to come to Jamia or any university, is they will get the permission? I think no, because right now the VC of Jamia Millia Islamia is a member of ABVP, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, and currently is a VC of Jamia Millia Islamia. That's why they are conducting these kind of programs. And second thing is that all the students, those who are protesting against this event organized by RSS, Rashtriya Sevak Sangh, in the name of Yuva Kumbh. They are celebrating 100 years of RSS, and
Yeah.
why they want to go to the minority institution or the university campuses to spread the hatred. The main thing is that they want to divide the community, and they want to create the
How exactly are they trying to do
violence in
that?
the
How exactly are they
university
trying to do that? I'm just
campuses
trying to be the devil's
through these
advocate
kind
here,
of
Mr.
events.
Khan. I'm trying to understand, how are they exactly trying to do that, spread hatred? According to the event manifesto, this was about how the youth of the nation are going to take part in nation building and the kind of role that they will have to now play. So how are they exactly spreading hatred? And when it comes to ISA, look at some of those pictures. The SFI, Jamia Millia University unit, they carried out this protest. ISA was carrying out that protest, which is why I'm taking those names. I'm not affiliated to any of those. My job is to ask the right questions. That's why I'm doing it.
Those students, those who are protesting today, that auditorium is FTT auditorium inside the Faculty of Engineering, and those we have the right to protest, peacefully protest. If,
Yeah.
if you are coming to my home and I'm not ready to invite you, and you are still coming to my home, and then I protest against you, you are starting beating me. Then when the student protesting for the event and they went inside the auditorium, they were beaten by the guards and the goons. So, in the university premises, if students are protesting and they are targeted by the goons, or local goons, outside goons, and the administration, so what is this? So, we are all the Jamia alumni and the students are against these kinds of events. These events are happening to spread the hatred in the university premises. That's our stand.